Hello there, Taylor with the Mal Tiempo report. En este informe hablo en español primero, and then I'll speak in English. Sí, y en el noroeste pacífico hay un tormenta tropical. ¿Dónde está? ¿Dónde? Aquí, por aquí. Esta es Trami, creo que es el nombre. Severo Tormenta Tropical Trami, sí. Y esta tormenta está moviendo hacia Taiwán, no sé, y China. Y en Taiwán hay avisos de lluvias fuertes y en China hay un aviso de amarillo de tifón. Y este es el mapa de vientos potenciales y este es el mapa de lluvias potenciales en el siguiente 24 horas. Sí, por aquí hay muchas lluvias en el futuro. Sí, muchas lluvias en el noroeste pacífico también. Hay un tormenta tropical Pewa. Pewa fue por aquí en la pasada, sí, y es por aquí, ahora sí, es la verdad. Y hay una nueva tormenta, depresión tropical 3, sí, en el Pacífico Central. Y por aquí hay dos zonas de probabilidad. Esta es 10% en el momento y esta es 40% en un momento, pero en el futuro, esta zona aquí hay una probabilidad de 80% en el futuro, y esta tiene una probabilidad de 30%. Y sí, y estas cosas son toro, no sé, para hoy, en español, sí. So yes, in English, now we go back over here to look at severe tropical storm Trami. So Trami, in Taiwan, they've got a typhoon warning and some weather warnings for sea and land typhoon warning, obviously. Extremely heavy rain advisory. And what's kind of helpful is the China map. The map, the potential for rainfall shows, it's really nicely color-coded as to the purple area being where there's going to be the most intense rainfall with that. And then apparently in the next 24 hours, just a smidge, or maybe it's more than a smidge, actually in China at the moment. So Taiwan has the warnings in effect for that, and then China themselves has, Taiwan has warnings in effect right now, and then China has the yellow warning of typhoon, and they've got the map showing the probability for the winds and the probability of the rain. Yes. And then this thing that crossed the international date line, yes, international deadline, Tropical Storm Pewa on this one, still predicted to become apparently at the moment the equivalent of a Category 3 hurricane, which would be a pretty potent typhoon at that point if that does happen. And then we're going to apparently have Tropical Depression 3C cross over the international date line. So went from last year, I don't think any single storm generated in the Central Pacific at all, to this year, there's been not only 3 storms to generate in the Central Pacific, but 3 storms to go on to cross the international date line into the Northwest Pacific Basin. So that's kind of interesting. And then over here in the Eastern Pacific, we've got this area that's got the 10% chance at the moment, and I believe the 30% in the next 5 days. And then this one, which very well may be future Tropical Storm Ivo, or Evo, depending on how they want to pronounce that, at the moment has a 40% and in the next 5 days has an 80% chance. Yes, so that is what is going on at the moment. We turn on the satellite. That is a whole lot of rains and stuff on satellite. That's very true. In the land of severe thunderstorm weather in the US today, not very high. First, I'll show you the probability map. So this is the map showing the probability of severe winds, the map showing the probability of severe hail. So winds, 58 miles per hour, greater hail, 1 inch or larger. It's almost the exact same map. Tornadoes, apparently not a possibility. I show you that first so I can show you the mesoscale discussion that's in effect, where for marginal severe potential this afternoon into the evening, and watch unlikely on that one. So it's pretty much overlaying where this 5% area is today. Tomorrow, though, in similar-ish area, up to 15% chance for the severe weather potential, and then the 5%, and then a 5% back there, and then it tapers off again. So maybe things are quieting down. That's what I always say. You could be saying that all the way until, like, the dead of winter, apparently. SevereWeatherTV.com is the official homepage of this screencast. WickedWix is WICKEDWX.com, and Cyclocane is CYCLOCANE.com. And that is it for today. And hopefully you're staying safe out there.